Hi, let's quickly take stock of what we've learned so far. We started with defining addition of two fractions. We said given two fractions a over b and c over d, a over b plus c over d is defined to be the length of two concatenated segments. The first segment of length a over b and the second segment is of length c over d. That's how we define fraction addition. And then using that definition, we were able to derive this fraction addition formula and here we have two fractions with the same denominator of b, and we were able to derive this addition formula. And then we also derived the second addition formula where we add two fractions with different denominators. And to derive this formula, we also used the fundamental fact about equivalent fractions. So these two addition formulas are worth remembering because they help you with the specifics of how to add fractions and get the sum as another fraction. So let's do an example where we apply this second fraction addition formula to do the problem. So let's look at 3 over 7 plus 2 over 5. We know by definition what that means. We understand this to be the length of a long segment, where that long segment is obtained by concatenating a segment of length 3 over 7 with another segment of 2 over 5. So we know that that expression is equal to the length of that long segment. But exactly what is that length? And the addition formula 2 helps us carry out the addition and get to all the specifics. So the addition formula tells us when we add two fractions with unlike denominators, then we get another fraction whose denominator is simply the product of the two denominators. So I have 7 times 5. And the numerator is the sum of two terms. Well, this is simply 3 times 5. That's what the addition formula 2 tells us. And this is gotten by 7 times 2. That's what 2 times 7, that's why I have 2 times 7 here. While I do not need the parentheses, it's just looks cleaner to put them in. And now we simply carry out. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 times 7, 14. And denominator 7 times 5 is 35, 29 over 35. So in your write-up, make sure you have your equality signs to go from one expression to another expression and so on. So the conclusion is 3 over 7 plus 2 over 5, which we said is the length of that long segment. Now we realize that length can be thought of as 29 over 35. So this is how we can apply the addition formula 2 to add fractions with unlike denominators. Thank you.